before I go to bed, I love reading books. I love reading words and the way the pictures look.
Hi, my name is Sebastian.
And my name is Alexander. We're the Gemelos Bilingües.
We like reading books.
And we hope you like reading books too. Today's book is Sheep in a Jeep. Beep, beep. Sheep in a Jeep on a hill that's steep. Uh-oh, the Jeep won't go. Sheep leap to push the Jeep. Sheep shove. Sheep grunt. Sheep don't think to look up front. Jeep goes splash. Jeep goes thud. Jeep goes deep in gooey mud. Sheep tug. Sheep shrug. Sheep yelp. Sheep get help. Jeep comes out. Sheep shout. Sheep cheer. Oh dear, the driver sheep forgets to steer. Jeep in a heap. Sheep weep. Sheep sweep the heap. Jeep for sale, cheap. The end.
You can find this book
And many more at your local library.
I love to go to libraries, look around and search, and I read so many books that I learned a lot of words. I can tell you stories that you never ever heard, and I love to read about people different than me, and I'm thankful I can read, I'm thankful I can see, and before I go to bed, yeah, I love reading books.